Hey there, dog lovers! Today we're going to talk about a surprising and effective way to keep your furry friends clean and healthy. Did you know that white distilled vinegar can be a fantastic addition to your dog's bath time routine? That's right. This common household item can provide numerous benefits for your four-legged friend. First and foremost, white distilled vinegar is a natural disinfectant. When you use it to wash your dog, it helps to kill off any bacteria or fungi that may be lingering on their skin. This can be especially helpful if your dog has any skin conditions or irritations. Secondly, white distilled vinegar is a natural deodorizer. If your dog has a strong smell, using this in their bath can help to neutralize it. Plus, it can also help to reduce any odors that may be coming from their coat. Thirdly, white distilled vinegar is a natural flea and tick repellent. When you use it in your dog's bath, it can help to keep these pesky critters at bay. It's a great way to keep your dog comfortable and itch-free. Finally, white distilled vinegar can help to balance the pH levels of your dog's skin. This can be especially important if your dog has sensitive skin or a condition like dandruff. By using this in their bath, you can help to soothe and nourish their skin. Now, it's important to note that you should always dilute the white distilled vinegar before using it on your dog. A ratio of 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water is recommended. Also, be sure to avoid getting the vinegar in your dog's eyes, nose, or mouth. And there you have it, folks. A fun and informative way to use white distilled vinegar when washing your dog. Remember, always consult with your veterinarian before trying any new products or treatments on your pet. They can provide you with personalized advice and recommendations based on your dog's specific needs. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more pet care tips and tricks. Until next time, take care of your furry friends and keep them happy and healthy.